Alright, so this is hovering data right now. You can see I'm gonna go and start the fan and set it at 1 meters per second. Okay, we're gonna wait for the fan to settle down a bit, and then you can see it's 1 meters per second now. And I'm gonna go set at 2 meters per second. So now I'm gonna go with 3 meters per second. All right.